po ng Bello Medical Group.
Bello Medical Group.
Yes.
So, sino ang kumuha kung hindi nanakaw? At sino nagpalabas?
Hindi po. As shown very clearly, Mr. Senator, doon po sa affidavit, pinakuha po ito doon sa dalawang tao po, yung si Mr. Eric Chua.
Sino nagpakuha?
Si Dr. Bello po.
Dr. Bello.
Opo. But let us clarify po, the purpose really was because she had suspicions that her video, kasi inamin naman po ni Dr. Ko that they do have a video. And dahil nag-break up na po sila, gusto po ni Dr. Bello to have the video erased. That was the only purpose, Mr. Senator.
I thank everyone. And at this point, we have heard enough, and I think we have taxed the emotions of both parties enough. Ako'y nagpapasalamat kay Katrina kasi yung iyong katapangan ay nagbigay na ng siguro maraming pag-asa sa mga biktima ang kagaya mo. And I commend you, Katrina. Nagpapasalamat ako. Mahirap humarap dito. Mahirap yung ginawa mo. At nangangako ako dito sa amin komite na maggagawa kami ng magagandang batas na para yung penalty para dito sa ginagawa na ganito ay talagang malakas at talagang matibay. Salamat sa iyo at kay Dr. Hayden Ko.
Paano nalipat? From the camera to internet. To the computer.
Madali naman. May we know if you were technically apt to paano nyo nalipat daw yung video from your camera to your laptop tapos bumagsak sa internet? Are you a techie? Magaling ba kayo dito?
Marunong po ako sa computers.
So
Ikaw nag-download?
Nag-upload sa internet? Wala po.
Hindi, nag-download sa computer mula sa camera?
From my camera to my computer po?
Yes.
Opo.
Ikaw lahat ang gumawa nun?
Sorry?
Yeah. So,
by lahat po, anong ibig sabihin niyo po?
anong software ginamit mo?
Software po?
Oo.
It's a USB lang po yun eh. Yung memory card po, okay, yung
So,
memory
USB lang.
Yung memory card po ng camera, paliwanag ko lang po, no? Yung memory card ng camera, normally, yung camera normally, may built-in yan, parang plug and play po yan para sa computer. So, pag-plug niyan, pwede niyong kunin na yung video from the camera.
Anong klaseng camera yon?
Point and shoot, Sony camera. And then pagkatapos po nun, nilagay ko po lahat sa hard drive yan. Walang naiwan sa camera, walang naiwan sa laptop, and the hard drives were password protected, double.
Pati yung kay Maricar, ganun din.
I do not wish to comment on any other person not involved here.
Okay.
Dr. Ko, and I ask in consultation with your counsel, would you be willing to discuss with us the name of the drug source in executive session? Senators only.
Your Honor, please, as we said, the
counsel is not allowed to
I'm sorry.
speak. May we know his answer?
Sorry po, but
This will save many people, victims like you. Ito ay makakasave. Malaman natin maraming biktima kagaya
Ano
mo
po,
na nasira ang buhay.
naintindihan ko po. Pero, sorry kung, honestly, I can't, masyado na po maraming kahiyan sa humiliation na nakos ko sa family ko. If I am going to compromise their safety, parang hindi ko po kayang gawin yun. Maybe the proper
kami lang ang
time.
makakalaman eh.
Maybe
Hindi
the proper
namin,
time.
or kung meron kaming ilang pangalan sasabihin sa iyo, pwede ka lang bang tumango?
Sir, ma'am, maybe in the proper time po, pag nakaalis na siguro yung family ko dito sa bansa, pwede kong i-reveal sa inyo. But right this moment, hindi ko po kayang i-reveal sa inyo.
When would that be?
I'm not so sure po.
Hindi nyo ba kami mapagkatiwalaan? Kasi ito ang key evidence dito. Kasi kung maraming buhay nasira dito, at wag magpakabayani ka na lang, kagaya ni Katrina, na lumabas at sabihin na lang sana Sino itong tao na sumisirya sa buhay ng...
Ma'am, kung ako lang po mag-isa, kaya ko pong harapin yun eh. Kaya ko pong pangatawan.
Bata o matanda ba itong tao na ito?
Hindi ko po muna sasabihin, delikado po masyado. But this guy really has... Yeah, this guy really has a lot of connections and... Hindi naman sa na-witness ko, pero ang dami ko nang alam sa mga kaya nilang gawin.
Na
Na marami silang connections, maraming...
Pero wala naman sinaktan.
I'd rather not comment po at this point.
Kilala mo siya personally?
Sino po?
You know him?
Do I know
Her
him
personally?
I'd rather
Yung drug
not comment
dealer?
po. I'd rather not comment at this time. Any comment, I can show you death threats, but wag po sino.
Ngayon, pwede natin i-executive session yan.
Tayo lang.
Tayo lang.
Walang makakahirinig dito. Kaming senador, and we're under oath not to reveal. Because should we reveal this, pwede kaming mapaalis sa Senado kung mag-reveal kami
Sir,
ng sinabi sa amin sa executive session.
Ma'am, kapag kayo po ginawa niyan, matatanggal kayo sa Senado. Pero pag ako po, buhay po ng pamilya ko compromised. So,
Have you been threatened already by this person? That is why there's a gray area in Vicky Bello's affidavit.
I am not certain po kung ano yung kung anong gray area po yung sinasabi nyo. Pero I can assure you po that I really am receiving death threats po from many different numbers, different people.
Ito sa isang tao lang.
And this
yung drug
particular
pusher.
person, yes din po.
At sa kanyang mga kaibigan?
Hindi ko po alam kung kaibigan niya yung iba, pero
Are you sure? I'll ask you one more time. For your country and for victims like you, hindi mo ba makikita sa puso mo na sabihin lang muna sa Senado kung sino itong nagbabanta sa buhay mo at itong drug pusher? Executive session, mapapaalis kami kung mag-reveal kami niyan. Tayong tatlo ni Senator Revilla.
Ma'am, I can't make a decision right now. I have to discuss it with my family.
I would hope that you would see the light to...
I do understand, Senator, your...
No, but we will not tell anyone. Ako rin, ang manganganib ang buhay namin kung meron kaming nalalaman na sinabi mo. Pero under oath, we cannot also reveal the name. Tayong tatlo lang.
Ma'am, baka the moment pa lang I say yes, I'm gonna tell you, paglabas ko lang dito, tapos na ako.
Maski hindi namin sabihin?
Hindi ko po alam kung sino dito ang konektado sa kanila. Hindi ko alam kung may senator din bang konektado sa kanila. Masyadong malakas po, masyadong malaki yung grupo. Sorry po talaga.
Malalim po ito.
Baka mamaya nasa likod ko na.
Well, on that note, I will adjourn. This hearing is adjourned
Madam Chair.
until further notice. And ang sinasabi ko dito talaga, yung PIDEA, Mr. General Asek Santiago, please.
Madam Chair, thank you very much. I would like to state for the record that there is an invitation issued to Dr. Ko for tomorrow. We have not received as of this time any commitment from him. But I hope that he will heed our invitation and we can assure the committee that whatever we will be able to discuss with them will be treated very with high confidentiality, and we will see to it because we only want to validate some of the information we have, and he will be of great help to us if he will cooperate.
Thank you, Asek Santiago. That is between him, his God, and his conscience. But we also have to make sure that he will be given proper security should he be able to name these names that we seek. On that note, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat sa inyo. I thank Katrina for her courage Dr. Ko for his candidness, and the rest of the resource persons for being here in this highly charged hearing. At masasabi ko lang sa iyo, Katrina, papasalamatan ka ng bayan habang buhay mo. At lalong-lalo na mga kababaihan na nagiging biktima. Salamat sa iyo, Katrina. Salamat.
Salamat din po.